In the early 20th century, Nigeria was a battleground for colonial powers. The lush landscapes and bustling towns of Nigeria were under the shadow of foreign domination. Colonial ambitions clashed with the rich cultural heritage of the Nigerian people, leading to a period of intense struggle and resistance. But one resistance movement stood out: the Ekumeku War. This formidable uprising was led by the brave Ekumeku warriors who fought valiantly against the colonial forces. Their courage and determination became a symbol of resistance and hope for many. A forgotten chapter in Nigerian history, this conflict shaped the nation's future. The Ekumeku War not only challenged the colonial powers, but also laid the groundwork for Nigeria's eventual path to independence. The legacy of these warriors continues to inspire generations, reminding us of the enduring spirit of resistance and the quest for freedom. In the late 19th century, the Igbo people of southeastern Nigeria lived in a thriving, decentralized society. But British colonialism disrupted this balance, imposing foreign rule and exploiting natural resources. The Ekumeku movement emerged in the early 1900s, during a time of great upheaval and change in Nigeria. It was a formidable resistance force, determined to defend the rich heritage, land, and cultural practices of the Igbo people against colonial encroachment. The movement was led by courageous and visionary leaders, including the likes of Madam Okwe and Omu Okoronkwo, who inspired many with their unwavering resolve. These leaders and their followers employed sophisticated guerrilla tactics, using the dense forests and intricate knowledge of the land to their advantage, launching surprise attacks against the better-equipped British forces. Their efforts were a testament to the resilience and determination of the Igbo people in the face of overwhelming odds. The British responded with brutal force, destroying villages, crops, and cultural symbols. General Charles Bruce led the British campaign, imposing harsh policies to crush the resistance. The Ekumeku War may have been lost, but its legacy endures. This conflict, which took place in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, was a significant chapter in Nigeria's history. The brave warriors who fought against colonial forces left an indelible mark on the nation's collective memory. The resistance sparked a cultural revival, inspiring future generations to reclaim their heritage. Today, traditional Igbo festivals and dances are celebrated with renewed vigor, serving as a reminder of the resilience and cultural richness of the Nigerian people. These events are not just celebrations, they are acts of remembrance and pride. Today, Nigerians remember the Ekumeku War as a testament to their ancestors' bravery. Museums and historical sites across the country educate young minds about this pivotal period. Students learn about the sacrifices made and the enduring spirit of resistance. The Ekumeku War is more than a historical event. It is a symbol of courage and a source of inspiration for all Nigerians. The Ekumeku War may be forgotten, but its impact on Nigerian history is undeniable. Join us in honoring the courage and resilience of the Igbo people. Learn more about the Ekumeku War and Nigerian history. Share your thoughts and stories with us.